Hello and welcome to this video from EasyLog. This presentation concerns our EasyLog Plus SB staff scheduling software, which is a web browser based application, and as you can see the screen here is sitting in the Chrome internet browser, but equally I could use Edge and Firefox, and also I can access the application on my iPhone or iPad, Android tablet or phone device, and also any Windows 10 device. Now, to access the software, therefore, as it is browser-based, we just go to one of my favorites, and there I'm into the opening screen. Whereas I'm in my Google account, it's automatically remembered my name and password. Now, the purpose of this video is to give you a flavour about one particular aspect of the design behind this software, which is to give you a warning about staff arriving late or getting in exceptionally early, or indeed staff leaving early before the end of their shift. Now, it does this in two or three ways. If I then firstly log into the software, we will see that the software presents a screen automatically which shows me on today's date that 3 of my staff have actually arrived late or indeed missed a shift altogether. Now, further detail on that can be found within the attendance screen here. So I click on that, then I'll be transported into this screen. Now, this screen shows me just today, and it shows me just the staff that are on the rota for today as well. And as you can see, it is color coded according to this grid, which is running from midnight through to midnight. So each of these is an hour block, and each of these is a 15-minute segment. So I can see then that the person at the top of the screen, my employee James, was meant to be here at 6 and indeed arrived at 6. And the employee here, Pavlina, arrived late within this first 15-minute segment, hence the red. Then scrolling across, I can see that my employee here, Graham, arrived early, hence we can see a 15-minute blue block here, meaning they did arrive early. And my employee here, Claire, hasn't shown up at all if I continue to scroll across, as you can see, for the rest of the shift as it currently stands. Now, the other aspects of the colouring, the orange, means that the element of that shift has yet to happen. So therefore it's colour coded to orange. So you can see as we currently stand here at about 12:30 during the day, then the balance of this shift is in orange, as is this, and indeed this one. And the shift starting here at 2 o'clock have obviously yet to start, so hence they're displayed in orange. So a very easy to use screen showing you exactly what is going on at the moment on the rota. The other aspect of this is that the software can, if you define it, can send you emails to tell you whether somebody's arrived late, or their shift has run on late, or indeed left early. Again, you define those. So you can see you can set up as many email addresses as you want to give that notification to. The definition of late and early is in your hands. So again, if I go into the administration section here, I've got an option here for rota setup, and therefore, as we can see, we can define what is a maximum acceptable early arrival. So we can be up to 30 minutes early before the start of the shift, before the employer, owner, manager, whatever, is given a warning. There is no acceptability for lateness, no acceptability for early departure, hence the naught and the naught. And again, somebody can leave up to 30 minutes late before then a warning is given within the software, either on screen as you saw through the attendance, through the alarms, or indeed being sent an email as you define. Okay, so as I mentioned at the outset, this is just one video about the Plus SB staff scheduling software. This one is focused on the dynamic nature of showing you warnings about attendance. There are others in this series which obviously you will see on our website. So if you want further information, please contact us by email on info@easylog.co.uk. Please indeed call us on 01892 834406, or continue to look at our website easylog.co.uk, where, as I said, you'll find further videos and further product information. So thank you very much for listening to this video and watching, and please call us if you need, and email us if you need further information. Thank you. Bye.